Hi kids. Kids, we will trace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, let's learn colors name. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, black, sky blue, brown, pink, violet, pink and green color. Let's start. Kids, we will trace number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. 6. 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yellow color. 1. Black color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.